Okay, so I know we're just in the preseason, but the Titans just pulled off a pretty big win. Thank goodness for that kicker. So it reminded me about my Tennessee Titans NFC tag, and I wanted to check and make sure it still works. So you can approach it with a phone that's got looking for NFC tags enabled, and I'm going to scan this tag. And yeah, it looks like it's going to work. Oh, but wait. That is last season. Alright, so I really enjoy this super easy plain text sports website, but I need to update my NFC tag for this year. So I'm going to go over here to NFL, I'm sorry, gosh, what am I saying? NFL, and they have such a nifty little schedule. Again, it's just raw, just text document, so it opens up real quick. Here's our Seattle versus Tennessee Titans. And again, they just pulled off the win with the final field goal. And I'm going to click on Tennessee Titans there. All right, there. This is this year's schedule. So far, so good. I really hope they have a good season this year. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I get this particular website, and I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go to NFC Tools, and we're just going to write over this tag and update it with a new website. So here we've got the tag, and I'm going to approach the tag. Alright, and it's got the information that it was doing, but now I'm going to overwrite that with add a record, and it's just going to simply be a URL record, and we're going to paste what we had just copied, and I think that'll do it. I may have to get in there somehow and delete the pre-part of that if it copied too much. But alright, I'm going to go ahead and say okay. Then we're going to write that. Come on, focus. Sorry. There it goes. We're going to write that to the tag. So it says approach a tag. Write is complete. I'll say okay. All right, now I'm going to close NFC Tools, close everything else. All right, and then I'm going to approach it, scan my tag, and did it work? Yes. So now my tag will take me to this year's season. Very nifty, but a cool website. So again, the tag is just simply a shortcut to get to their website faster, but pretty cool. Would be impressive for your friends. Maybe. All right, well, thanks for watching. I haven't done an NFC tag video in quite a while, and I've got a couple of ideas, so hang on tight and I will eventually get a video out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.